Example, actually we have to discuss the example based on the variational calculus. That means we have to study the problems based on this. The functional j of y of x is equals to integral from a to a. This is the Euler's equation. These are the no remarks condition. This is the fundamental theorem on calculus, and this is the first case which we have studied. Now today we shall solve the problems based on this. आता याच्यावरचे प्रॉब्लेम्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत. मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये काही प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केले, तर आता परत काही प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू आणि नंतर मग स्पेशल केस सेकंड कडे जाऊ. सी दिस नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. Now we have to calculate the problem based on this. Find the extremal of the functional. Find the extremal of the functional j of y of x, which is equals to integral from 1 to 2 root of 1 plus y dash square divided by x dx. Having the extremal condition, y of 1 is equals to 0 and y of 2 is equals to 1. Okay. होमवर्क केलं होतं का रे? मागचे होमवर्क कुणी कुणी केलं होतं मला जरा सांगा बरं. ज्या ज्या स्टुडंटनी पाठीमागचे होमवर्क केलेले त्यांनी थोडं यस म्हणा, आणि ज्यांना जमले नाहीत त्यांनी नो म्हणा, म्हणजे मला लक्षात येतं. ओके. सो given functional is j of y of x equals to integral from 1 to 2 root of 1 plus y dash square divided by x dx. So we can write integral from 1 to 2. So, and y of 0 is equals to 0, y of 1 is equals to 1. वाडे, अटोळकर, मोहिनी, पांढरे, देवके, हिंगमिरे, शिंदे, चव्हाण, शिंदे, जाधव, पूजा, थावारे, गोरे. बरोबर आहे का? मेंगशेट्टी या विद्यार्थ्यांनी केलं होतं का होमवर्क? प्रतीक्षा मेंगशेट्टी कुणी पाहिलंय? ठीक आहे. हिअर f of x comma y dash is equals to root of 1 plus y dash square divided by x. So we have to calculate. आता ॲक्च्युअली इथं y नाहीच आहे, y ची टर्म नाही आहे. सो वी कॅन राईट f of x comma y dash which is equals to root of 1 plus y dash square divided by x. So we have to use the special case here. That means we have to find out only fy dash and then we have to solve this problem. Okay. So fy dash of x comma y dash which is equals to, आता याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y dash. So 1 upon x is it is which is in the product. रूटचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon 2 root 1 plus y dash square into, again we have to take the derivative of y dash, means 2y dash. y dash square चा derivative काय तो 2y dash. So fy dash of x comma y, which is equals to 2 cancel, y dash divided by x into root 1 plus y dash square. But by the special case, here the functional is independent of y, then by Euler's special case, we can write, how we can write here, fy dash equals to c. So to 0 आहे का? Okay, बराबर आहे. There is f of y 1 is equals to 0, right? So fy dash is y dash divided by x into root of 1 plus y dash square, which is equals to c. Is it okay? So y dash equals to c into x into root of 1 plus y dash square. बरोबर आहे का students? So now by squaring, y dash square is equals to, मुळे लवकर अटेंडन्स टाकायचं रे. उपाडे खूप दिवसानंतर जॉईन झाली तू उपाडे. So we can write this as c square into x square in a bracket 1 plus y dash square. So we can write y dash square is equals to c square x square plus c square x square y dash square by squaring. So we have to separate this. Y dash square minus c square x square into y dash square, which is equals to c square x square. We have to calculate this. So take out a y dash square common, then which are the remaining term in the bracket? The remaining terms in the bracket are, which are those? The remaining term in the bracket are 1 minus c square x square, which is equals to c square x square. Is it okay? y of 2, okay, बरोबर आहे. चेंज करून घ्या. y of 2 is equals to 1, y of 1 is equals to 0 because lower limit is 1, and y of 2 is equals to 1, upper limit is 2 according to the given condition. Is it okay? No problem. So y dash square is equals to, we can write c square x square divided by 1 minus c square x square. So we can write y dash equals to, by taking a square root, cx divided by root of 1 minus c square x square, by taking square root. Okay, so it will be c square x square. Now y dash means we can write it as a dy by dx which is equals to Cx divided by root of 1 minus C square x square. So separate the variable Cx divided by root of 1 minus C square x square dx. Actually, we have to find out y. Y means the curve or a function. By integrating आता integration घ्या. Integration of dy is equals to integration of Cx divided by root of 1 minus C square x square into dx. Now here our aim is to find out the integral. dy चं integral y होतं Cx divided by root of 1 minus C square x square dx. There is one formula, integration of f dash of x divided by root of f of x. Then its formula is 2 root f of x. Means in the numerator, if there is a derivative of root term in the numerator, then we can take this formula directly. That means we have to adjust the derivative of function which are arrived in the root. Its derivative we have to adjust in the numerator. Now you tell me what is the derivative of here d of 1 minus C square x square. काय येतो रे? रूट मधल्या फंक्शनचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येतो? मायनस C square is it is x square चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय येतो? 2x. Means 2x into C square x square. That means we have to adjust derivative of denominator in the numerator. Means we have to adjust minus 2c square x in the numerator. So how we can adjust this? I is equals to divide by minus 2c multiply by 2c minus 2c into cx divide by root of 1 minus C square x square dx. Means dividing and multiplying by 2c. So y is equals to minus 1 upon 2c integration of minus 2c square x upon root of 1 minus C square x square. So derivative of denominator's root term in the numerator, then we can use that formula. So y is equals to minus 1 upon C into 2 root 1 minus C square x square. 2 cancel. Y is equals to minus root of 1 minus C square x square divide by C. Okay. अशी टर्म आलेली आहे. 2 cancel होतं. Then we can write and constant of integration. Okay, we have to write this constant of integration. Suppose C1, because C is already known. C is already in the functions. So C1. Now we can take this sides. We can write this y minus C1 is equals to minus root of 1 minus C square x square divided by C by squaring. So y minus C1 bracket square is equals to minus a square plus होतो 1 minus C square x square divided by C. Is it okay? So now separate this. Y minus C1 bracket square is equals to 1 by C minus, इथं C square होईल ना, C square minus X square. Okay, so this minus X square we can write on the left side. So X square plus Y minus C1 bracket square, which is equals to 1 upon C square. So X square plus Y1 minus C bracket square, which is equals to 1 upon C square. Suppose this is equation number second. हे खूप मोठं इंटिग्रेशन आहे म्हणून मी घेतलेलं आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. Now here, given that y of 0 is equals to 1 and y of काय दिलं पहा बरे, y of 0 is equals to 0 दिलंय का 1 दिलंय पहा. Actually what we have given, we have to check y of 1 is equals to 0 दिलंय. We shall check what we have given. We have given y of 1 is equals to 0, y of 2 is equals to 1. Y of 1 is equals to 0 and y of 2 is equals to 1. So put this is y. Means if x is equals to 0, for x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. First case, मग ठेवा. So 1 plus 0 minus C bracket square, which is equals to 1 upon C square. जिथं x आहे, for x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. So 1 plus C square, which is equals to 1 upon C square. Is it okay? So हे C1 आहे ना, I think this is a C1. Okay, this is a C1. This is a C1. 1 upon C1. So we can write this as a C1 square. So 1 minus C1 square, y of 0 means 1 plus C1 square is equals to 1 upon C square. Suppose this is equation number 3. 1 plus C1 square is equals to 1 upon C square. Also, what we have given second condition, for x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1. Put into याला वाटलं तर 2 असा देऊ. So मग x is equals to 2, that is 2 square, 4 2 मध्ये ठेवा, 4 plus 1 minus C1 bracket square, which is equals to 1 upon C square. But 1 upon C square, so 4 plus 1 minus C1 square, which is equals to 1 upon C square. Now 1 upon C square means 1 plus C1 square. So 4 plus 1 minus C1 bracket square is equals to 1 plus C1 square. This is from 3. Now calculate 4 plus 1 minus 2C1. Okay. 2c1 plus c1 square is equals to 1 plus c1 square. This c1 square will be cancelled. 5 minus 2c1 which is equals to 1. बरोबर आहे का रे पहा. So minus 2c1 is equals to बरोबर आहे 5. 2c1 is equals to 1 plus c1 square. 2c1 is equals to 1 minus 4. So 2c1 is equals to 2. c1 is equals to किती होतं 5 येतस इथं 5. So it will be minus 4 means 4 c1 is equals to 2. c1 ची value 2 आली. So put this value c1 in 3. आलेली c1 ची value 3 मध्ये ठेवा. Put in 3. What is that 3? 1 plus c1 square 1 upon c square. 1 plus 4 is equals to 1 upon c square. 5 is equals to 1 upon c square. Though c square is equals to 1 upon 5. So c is equals to 1 upon root 5. Thus, by using a boundary conditions, we have calculated the value of c and c1. We have calculated the value of c and c1. Put these values of c and c1 in equation y is equals to, ठीक आहे इथं ठेवा, put in 2. ठीक आहे 2 मध्ये ठेवा, put in 2. What is that 2? X square. So x square plus y minus c1 square which is equals to 1 upon c square. So x square plus y minus c1. c1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती निघाली रे 2 bracket square which is equals to 1 upon c. c means root 5. c means 1 upon root 5. 1 upon root 5 चा square means which is again 5. So we can write y minus 2 bracket square which is equals to 5 minus x square. So y minus, हाँ ठीक आहे चालतं रे, y is equals to root of 5 minus x square divided by 5 minus x square square root घ्या. y minus 2 is equals to root of 5 minus x square. So y is equals to 2 plus root of 5 minus x square. This is the required, this is the required function which satisfies the given functional. Is it okay? बरोबर आहे का पा? खूप मोठा प्रॉब्लेम आहे. Actually the length of problem is very large, so I have taken here. हा खूप मोठा प्रॉब्लेम आहे आणि पर्टिक्युलर वेनच सॉल्व करत जायचे. y ची व्हॅल्यू इथं जरी y ची व्हॅल्यू ठेवला तरी चालतं. कुठं? इथं. काही अडचण नाही आहे. सोल्युशन सेम येतं. सो इट विल बी द कंप्लीट आन्सर. ओके, अशा पद्धतीनं हा कंप्लीट आन्सर होतो. Now we shall move towards the next problem. Show that हा प्रॉब्लेम झालाय का बघा बरं रे. सेकंड, j of y of x equals to integral from a to b y dash in a bracket 1 plus x square into y dash. हा झालाय का प्रॉब्लेम पहा बरे स्टुडंट्स. Actually we have not given here the boundary condition. Given functional is j of y of x equals to integral from a to b y dash into 1 plus x square into y dash dx. झालंय का रे हा प्रॉब्लेम चेक करा. Let f of x comma y dash is equals to y dash in a bracket 1 plus x square into y dash. Okay, actually this function is independent of y, so we can write function is independent of y, so we can write f of x comma y dash which is equals to y dash plus x square into y dash square, x square into y dash square. Now fy dash, we have to calculate fy dash of x comma y dash which is equals to y dash derivative with respect to y dash. Now you tell me students, we have to differentiate this f partially with respect to y dash. That means we have to take a derivative of y dash. Other terms are considered as a constants. That means we have to consider x as a constant corresponding to the y dash. So derivative of y dash with respect to y dash is 1 plus x square is a constant coefficient. Derivative of y dash square is 2y dash. So it will be 1 plus 2x square into y dash. This is fy dash. By the Euler's special case, fy dash which is equals to constant. If a function is independent of y, then by the Euler's special case we can write fy dash is equals to c. ओके बरोबर आहे. अनिता राजमाने व्हेरी नाईस. भाग्यश्री देवके व्हेरी नाईस. फक्त दोघांना डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आलाय पहा. एवढ्या विद्यार्थ्यापैकी फक्त दोघांनाच डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आला, बाकीच्यांना नाही आहे. एक्स स्क्वेअर कॉन्स्टंट असतो, वाय डॅश स्क्वेअरचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2y डॅश येतो. ओके, नाउ सो पुट दिस व्हॅल्यू 1 plus 2x square into y dash which is equals to c. So 2x square y dash is equals to c minus 1. So y dash equals to c minus 1 divided by 2x square. So now we can take the integration. Y dash means dy by dx which is equals to c minus 1 divided by 2x square. So dy is equals to c minus 1 upon 2x square into dx. By integrating, we have to take the integration. Dy is equals to integration of c minus 1 upon 2x square into dx. So integration of dy is equals to y. Then what we have to calculate? Integration of c minus 1. C minus 1 is a constant term, 2 is also constant term. Okay, so we can write this c minus 1 upon 2 is the constant term, 1 upon x square dx. Y is equals to c minus 1 upon 2 into integration of x raised to minus 2 dx. Y is equals to c minus 1 upon 2 into x raised to minus 2 चं integration काय असेल रे students? Now you tell me. Minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 means x raised to minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus constant of integration c1. Y is equals to c minus 1 divided by 2 into minus 1 upon x, minus 1 upon x plus c1. So y is equals to 1 minus c divided by 2x plus c1. This is the required functional. See here, we can't calculate here the values of c and c1, which are the arbitrary constants, due to because we are not given the boundary condition. Extremal values नहीं दिले असल्यामुळं we can't find the values of the arbitrary constants c and c1. So this is the required function. Which satisfies the functional. Which satisfies the given functional 1. Okay. अशा पद्धतीने हे सोल्यूशन आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. Then we shall move towards the next problem. नंतरचा प्रॉब्लेम घेऊ आपण. Okay. So find the next problem. Find the extremum value of the extremal of the function functional integral from 0 to pi by 2 y dash square plus minus y square plus 2xy dx with y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 is equals to 0. हे झाले का पहा बरे. y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 is equals to 0. हा झाला का प्रॉब्लेम पहा. So given functional is, what is that functional? J of y of x. So j of y of x is equals to integral from 0 to pi by 2 y dash square minus y square plus 2xy dx. Is it okay? Now here also we have given y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 is equals to 0. झालाय का रे प्रॉब्लेम? ऋषिकेश उदगीरकर हा प्रॉब्लेम झालाय का? नाही. Here see this functional is depend on y, x and y dash, means x is present, y is present, y dash is present. So we can write f of x, y, y dash, which is equals to y dash square minus 2y square plus 2xy. So we can write f suffix y of x comma y dash is equals to, now differentiate this with respect to y partially. So 0 minus 2y plus 2x into y चा derivative with respect to y is 1. Suppose if we consider this as a 2. Differentiate partially with respect to y. So we can write simply fy is equals to 2x minus 2y. Suppose this is just 3. Also differentiate this equation 2 partially with respect to y dash. So fy dash of x comma y dash, which is equals to, काय तो सांगा बरे, derivative of this function with respect to y dash. You tell me student, what is the derivative of function with respect to y dash? So it will be 2y dash minus 0 plus 0. So f is to 2 into y dash. Is it okay? This is a 4. Now here the function, given function is depend on x, y dash. So we have to use Euler's equation in the general form. So we have Euler's equation f suffix y minus d by dx of fy dash, which is equals to 0. Okay आहे ना पहा. So we can write fy means 2x minus 2y, 2x minus 2y, बरोबर आहे का पहा. काही रॉंग होत असलं तर सांगत चला रे. 2x minus 2y minus d by dx of 2y dash, which is equals to 0. So 2x minus 2y minus 2y double dash, which is equals to 0. So you can take this minus 2y double dash minus 2y, which is equals to minus 2x. So y double dash plus y, which is equals to x. Actually this is the function y double dash plus y, which is equals to x. This is the second order non-homogeneous partial differential equation. This is the second this is second order non-linear, non-homogeneous differential equation. So if the given differential equation is in non-homogeneous form, then we have to solve it by the particular integral and complementary function. complementary part and particular integration we have to solve, complementary function and particular integral. So we shall solve this. The characteristics polynomial is of L of y is equals to 0 is r square plus r, which is equals to 0. So r square plus 1, r square plus 1 is equals to 0. So r square is equals to minus 1, r is equals to plus or minus root minus 1. So r is equals to plus or minus I, means r is equals to alpha plus or minus 0I. So it's, we can write a complementary function, complementary solution. काय येतं याचं सांगा बरं रे. So complementary function is equals to, if this is a complex, then c1 cos, sorry इथं 1 येतो, alpha plus beta x, that is equals to 0 plus or minus 1i. मग याचं कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी फंक्शनचा फॉर्म्युला काय, e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. हां बरोबर आहे. So complementary function which is equals to e raised to alpha म्हणजे 0 आहे, this c1 beta means 1, c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. This is the complementary function. Now we have to calculate the particular integral because this is a non-homogeneous function. So we have to write also particular integral is equals to 1 upon d square plus 1 into x, that is equals to 1 plus d square bracket raised to minus 1 into x, that is 1 minus d square plus d raised to 4. In this way dot dot dot. तुम्हाला कोणत्या पद्धतीने सॉल्व करता येतं त्या पद्धतीने सॉल्व करा. So the higher order derivatives will be the zeros, so it is x. Particular integral is x. So the required solution is higher derivatives हा 0 असतात, 0 आहेत. So you have to find this. d2 of x 0, d4 of x is also 0. In this way we can take. लक्षात येतं का, हे तुम्हाला झालंय पहा. M.Sc. फर्स्ट इयरला ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन मध्ये हाऊ टू सॉल्व द होमोजिनियस नॉन होमोजिनियस इक्वेशन. हे नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन आहे, नॉन होमोजिनियस differential equation आहे. मग non homogeneous differential equation we have to solve in two parts. First part complementary function, second part particular equation. So required solution y is equals to complementary function plus particular integral. So it will be काय येतं पहा, c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus particular function is, particular integral is x, this is y. Suppose if we consider this equation as a 5, okay, but given that we have given the boundary conditions, which are those? The boundary conditions are y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi by 2 is equals to 0. Now put x is equals to 0 and y of 0 is equals to 0 in equation 5. 5 मध्ये ठेवा. So y of 0 is equals to c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0 plus x means 0. So 0 is equals to c1 cos 0 means 1 plus 0 plus 0. So we can calculate c1 is equals to 0. Is it okay, students? हाँ ठीक आहे, बरोबर आहे का चेक करा. आता also put x is equals to pi by 2, second condition. Then y of pi by 2 0 in 5. मग ठेवा y of y is equals to y of pi by 2 c1 cos pi by 2 plus c2 sin pi by 2 plus pi by 2. मला सांगा बरे sin pi by 2 cos pi by 2 किती असतात. y of pi by 2 means 0 which is equals to c1 cos 0, c1 म्हणजे 0 into cos of pi by 2 means 0 plus c2 into sin pi by 2 1 plus pi by 2. So we can write c2 is equals to minus pi by 2. Therefore the required particular solution is, what is that, students? Required particular solution is y is equals to c1 means 0 cos x, c2 means minus pi by 2 sin x plus x, that is y is equals to x minus pi by 2 sin x. This is the required extremal function. Extremal required function which satisfies functional 1. ओके, समजलं का रे हे सर्वांना? D2 D4 हायर ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हे खूप वेळा झालेलं आहे तुम्हाला, म्हणून इथं काय मी जास्त एक्सप्लेन करत नाही आहे. हे तुम्हाला इथं मी काही जास्त एक्सप्लेन करत नाही. सो इट विल बी द कंप्लीट आन्सर. ओके, चला नेक्स्ट वी शॅल मूव टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम. Next problem, on which curve the functional j of y of x which is equals to integral from 0 to pi y dash square minus y square plus 4y into cos x dx. Also we have given the boundary conditions with y of 0 is equals to 0 and y of pi which is equals to again 0. So y of pi calculate करा काय y of pi is equals to, suppose we consider this as y of pi okay 0 no problem. ठीक है. Now we shall move towards this. Given functional is j of y of x which is equals to integral from 0 to pi y dash square minus y square plus 4y into cos x dx. Is it okay, students? With condition y of 0 is equals to 0, y of pi is equals to 0. आता पहा, this functional is dependent on x, y, x वर आहे का रे? ठीक आहे, x वर आहे, असू द्या, काय अडचण नाही आहे. So here f of x comma y dash is equals to y dash square minus y square plus cos y 4y into cos x. So f suffix y is equals to 0 minus 2y plus 4 cos x, because this function is depend on x, y and y dash. So we have to use Euler's general formula. So f suffix y is equals to minus 2y plus 4 cos x. Is it correct, students? Suppose this is a second, this is third. Also f suffix y dash, we have to differentiate this equation second with respect to y dash. काय येतं सांगा बरे? f y dash is equals to 2y dash. So we can write, suppose this is a 4. By the Euler's equation, what we can write? Fy minus d by dx of fy dash which is equals to 0, fy means 2y minus 2y plus 4 cos x minus d by dx of 2y dash which is equals to 0 minus 2y plus 4x cos x minus 2y double dash is equals to 0. So minus 2y double dash minus 2y which is equals to minus 4 cos x. So it will be y double dash plus y which is equals to 4 cos x. So it can be written as y double dash plus y which is equals to 4 cos x. Suppose this is equation number 5, I think 5. This is the second order, non-homogeneous differential equation. So we have to solve this equation by using the same process. तुम्हाला झालेले आहेत. आता नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन कसे सॉल्व करायचे. सुरुवातीला कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी फंक्शन काढा किंवा कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी इंटिग्रल काढा, पर्टिक्युलर इंटिग्रल काढा, पर्टिक्युलर फंक्शन काढा. सो वी कॅन ओके राईट. इफ वी डिवाइड बाय दिस 2 देन वी विल गेट 2. This will be 2. Okay, no problem. Y double dash plus y, which is equals to 2 cos x. Now we have to solve this by using, this is the second order non-homogeneous differential equation, ordinary differential equation. Then we have to solve this equation in the two parts. One is a complementary function part, other is a particular integral part. So you have to write this as, मग याला सॉल्व करा. आता काय कशा पद्धतीने सॉल्व करायचे ते सॉल्व करा. तुम्हाला येतं हे सोल्युशन आणि मग इंटिग्रेशन कॅल्क्युलेट करा. ठीक आहे. आता बाकीचे जे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत ते आपण उद्याला घेऊ. पर्टिक्युलर इंटिग्रल आहेत ते पण आपण उद्याला घेऊ. ठीक आहे. बाकीचा जो पार्ट आहे तो आपण उद्याला घेऊ. नाउ वी शॅल स्टॉप हिअर. नमस्कार, गुड बाय. होमवर्क देऊ का रे तुम्हाला? यू हॅव टू सॉल्व द होमवर्क ऑल्सो. होमवर्क घ्या, होमवर्क. इंटीग्रल जे ऑफ वाय ऑफ एक्स जास्त नाही देत प्रॉब्लेम, एकच देतो. इंटीग्रल फ्रॉम ए टू बी वाय स्क्वेअर प्लस 2xy into y dash dx. Actually this is the general problem which we have to solve. Second, j of y of x is equals to, we have to find out the general solution only. Boundary condition दिलेल्या नाहीत, त्यामुळे तुम्ही जनरल सोल्युशन कॅल्क्युलेट करा. y स्क्वेअर प्लस y डॅश स्क्वेअर मायनस 2y इंटू साइन x. हा सुद्धा नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन येतो. वी हॅव टू सॉल्व दॅट नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन. कोण सॉल्व करतं मी पाहतो अगोदर, कोण सॉल्व करून दाखवतं. नॉन होमोजिनियस डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनचं सोल्युशन दोन पार्टमध्ये घ्यावं लागतं, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी फंक्शन आणि पर्टिक्युलर इंटिग्रल. देन वी गेट द कंप्लीट सोल्युशन. y इज इक्वल्स टू कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी फंक्शन प्लस पर्टिक्युलर सोल्युशन. थर्ड, j of y of x is equals to integral from a to b x into y dash square plus 2y dash dx. सर्व फंक्शन हे एक्स वाय डिपेंडंट आहेत. पक्ष लक्षात ठेवा, हा y इंडिपेंडंट आहे. पहा, आयलर स्पेशल केस 1 न सॉल्व करायचे आहे. बाकीचे फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड डिपेंडंट ऑन एक्स अँड वाय डॅश. सो यू हॅव टू यूज जनरल आयलर्स इक्वेशन. अँड लास्ट प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करा. j of y of x is equals to integral from a to b 1 plus y dash plus y dash square dx. That means only you have to calculate value of y in terms of c. Value of y in terms of c. ओके, तर ठीक आहे, या ठिकाणी आपण थांबू. नमस्कार, गुड बाय. उद्याला सकाळी घेऊ. पुन्हा आठवडाभर तुम्हाला एक्झाम पिरियडमध्ये सुट्ट्या देतो. उद्याला एक दिवस सकाळी घेऊ, म्हणजे नंतर आठवडाभर सुट्ट्या भेटतील. ओके, एक्झाममध्ये सुट्ट्या देऊ.